You're about to be raped. I do not have just to look at you and watch you being raped.
Para sa illegal drugs po ito or ano specifically?
Para sa illegal drugs. But an ordinary policeman, an ordinary police and military sargento o cabo, an ordinary citizen of this country can make a valid arrest. Pag ako nagpasyal ako ng gabi at may nakita ako ng transaction buy and sell ng drugs, even if I am a civilian Rodrigo Duterte, and if I have the arms, I would place you under arrest. And you fight it out with me, I will kill you. If I think that my life is in danger in arresting you for a valid cause because you are committing a crime in my presence. A civilian who is present in the scene of the crime, of the scene of another's crime, has this duty, social duty, an obligation of a citizen, if you're capable of doing it, to place a person who is about to commit a crime or actually committing a crime or has in fact committed a crime in your presence. Yes, kaya sabi ko, if I am Rodrigo Duterte with an arm, that's the reason why I have to keep in touch with my words, every word that I...
Hindi po ba magiging smoke screen na naman for people to kill one? They can say that they were defending themselves, but actually they were...
No, well, gago, mabaril ka lang dyan na wala, then somebody will catch up with you. It's a moral obligation, it's a legal obligation of a citizen who is in a position to do an arrest. May baril ka dyan with a valid permit and with a current license. Tapos you bring it and you commit a crime in my presence. You're about to be raped. I do not have just to look at you and watch you being raped. I can always tell the guy, dismount and be prepared to be arrested. And if he offers a resistance by pulling a knife and attacking me or pulling a gun, then I can shoot him. And can always say I killed the guy because he was raping you. Okay?
Salamat na ang parents.
Until when dapat ma-fill up ni Toto yung recruitment?
Matagal pa yan. It's a process. It's not easy to look for honest men. Mahirap talaga dito. It's just like the proverbial honest man. With, huh?
Anong order nyo sa mga pulis na hindi pumunta ng...
Well, this should be subjected to summary dismissal. And I have requested the police to form particularly a squad at bantayan itong mga pulis na alis sila sa trabaho. Most of them ay yung mga ninjas are criminal, so they are high in the list. And do not be surprised if they are killed because they are wanted. And so are the police who have been dismissed for committing crimes. Pag nawala yan sa trabaho, they will continue their plunder, they will continue with their crime. So, meron talagang tigasilip sa kanila from time to time. Kasi ito mga wala na ng trabaho, pulis na nga, criminal pa, mas lalo na kung hindi na ito pulis. So, itong mga ito, mamarkahan ko talaga ito sila. And I would like to warn them, I will not spare you. Mauna talaga kayong mamatay. Pag nagkamali kayo, mauna kayong mamatay. Sigurado yan. Mababiyuda talaga asawa mo. Huwag ninyong lukuhin ang gobyerno. Do not even try. Do not even think about it. Na akala ninyo wala na kayo sa trabaho, so wala na yung pera na malagay. Sasakay na naman kayo ngayon sa droga. Special target kayo. And I said, I'm warning the public, including the media right now, do not be surprised if they are killed one of these days. One by one.
Salamat. salamat. May sabi.
Ay, sandali. Bigyan natin ng pasalamat yung nanay, pati yung... Hama yung... Pare,
Elmer. Nora. Elmer.
sana yung kumpare ko.
Bata.
Una sa lahat, no, nagpapasalamat ako sa buong may kapal at saka kay President salamat. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po, sir. Salamat sa mga official ng
Nagpasalamat po kami kay
Salamat sa
mahal
lahat,
na
salamat.
Presidente
Salamat.
at sa kanyang sekretary na si Sekretary Durisa at saka sa Gobernador ng Hulo si Abdul Sakur Tan at si Toto Tan. Dahil sa kanila nabalik yung bata namin sa amin. Salamat po sa lahat.
Tutoy, may mensahe kay Presidente.
Anong kita mo kay Presidente? Saludo. Kung Duterte. Saludo ka. O yung katungan Duterte ba?
Salamat.
Salamat na siya. Sige. Salamat.
Salamat.
Ano sabihin mo?
President,
Salamat.
nakalabas ka.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Tapos saludo din.
Magsukul Presiden.
Ano sabihin mo?
Magsukul.
Dito daw siya sa pagitna daw siya. Gusto niya dyan yung saludo. Yung saludo mo. Sige, saludo. Sige.
Dapan.
Lalo na ba yan, sir?
Ito kay... Malaki ang damay dito. Salamat.
Trauma.
Ako may gusto akong kidnapin. Wag lang.
On the air pa.
Ako ang mag-kidnap.
Pag may nawala sa inyo.
Huwag na tayong bumalik na. Joke lang yan. There's a standing policy. Because if you give in and pay, mas maraming biktima at wala ng katapusan. You'll just be like not even an accessory. Para ka rin principal dyan ang nagbibigay ka ng pera because you will add another motivation for this guy to... Wala ng katapusan yan kung magbayad ka. Pero kung ito ang kidnapin,
Ako mag-negotiate ko. Para hindi na siya isauli.
Magbabayad na natin, sir.
pati ito, sa ano ba si Rappler, ito, tumaba na.
Maraming kidnappable pala dito.
Well, just be careful with your assignments. No? Alam mo minsan na media is being respected everywhere. And even the Abu Sayyaf allowed the media to enter the territory at times and for some reasons. But do not ever think that some of the reasons applies to you. Dahil media ka, hayaan ka lang. No? There might, I said, be some reasons for allowing the others while you are not. Just be careful with your... But I know you have to be enterprising to succeed as a good media practitioner.
Sir, any message to German government?
Well, yes, correctly said. I am very sorry that the hostage or a national of your country has been beheaded. I sympathize with the family. I commiserate with the German people. But I said we tried. There's a massive operation now going on. And as I have just announced to you, we are beginning to use the air assets. I would like to say something to the family and to the government that we really tried our best We have been there. Military operation has been going on for some time already, and but we have failed, and so that has to be admitted. There's nothing wrong in admitting a failure, but it's a matter of policy that we do not surrender to the demands of paying ransom. It will just increase the numbers.
Mr. President, pasensya na po. Pasundot lang po ko dun sa communist kanina, sir. Meron po ba kayo naging specific instruction sa CPP, left-leaning cabinet secretaries for the return of the peace talks just in case?
I will think about it. I will think. I will think 1,000 times. Then consult the cabinet, including the left-leaning members of the cabinet. We are a cabinet. We are a working government, and we can work well with each other. We're all right, and it's best that we discuss it sometime, not now, about how to go about this problem and how to navigate again the stormy waters of our conflict. But government interest must prevail. Government interest must prevail. Sayang.
Happy New Year.
Hindi ka man nagpawis, ma'am. Sinong nag-ano sa inyo?
Mainit dun, sir.